Guys, do you like licorice? I don't really like licorice, but I like red licorice. Is red licorice is it actually real licorice? Because it doesn't taste like licorice, does it? It tastes like strawberry. I've eaten the whole packet. So actually, what about a thumbnail? Oh. So what I'm going to ask you to do now, I'm going to ask you for a huge favour, and I know I've said this before, but it would really be a support for me if you was to subscribe to the channel. I put a lot of work into these videos. Well, not all of them, most of them. And my intention is to work harder 2022 to create some real magic for you guys. Remember, I'm getting my boat. Put a link to a video I done talking about the boat that I'm going to be buying, canal boat. Oh yeah, a few of you are asking about that. This is the story with the boat. Now I'm going to see a boat, 70 foot by 12 foot wide beam canal boat this Monday. But I've also been talking to the craftsmen who build these boats, this company in Manchester, and I'm probably going to travel up there and have a chat with the guys about the possibility of building a boat from scratch. I personally won't be building it, obviously, but those guys will be building it, and I'll be designing it in effect with them. So stay tuned for that. But the subscribe thing, it's like, I want to get 1,000 subs. That's it, 1,000 subscribers. I'll be happy then for the rest of my life. We kind of need a shot for today's video. This video I'm recording last night because today I'm out for the entire day. Tomorrow's video I'll be recording tomorrow and posting it tomorrow, I promise. We need to get a photograph of something. I'm going to get a photograph, maybe of the licorice. You know, everything kind of looks good in good light, right? Keeping it simple.